In this video, I will be showing you how to use Chatgpt and prompt format engineering to get the best out of your AI conversations. Let's get started. First, I click into the main text input area at the bottom center of the interface. Then I type out my detailed, custom role-playing instruction prompt. This specific instruction tells Chatgpt to act as an expert AI consultant with deep knowledge of business, technology, marketing, programming, finance, and productivity. Once my text is fully inputted, I click the up arrow send button to transmit the layout instructions directly to ChatGPT. The AI processes the request instantly, scrolling down to reveal its confirmation response. It clearly outlines that it understands the new instructions and demonstrates the exact numbered structure it will follow for all subsequent answers. Listing step-by-step thinking. Most practical answers first, real-world examples, better alternatives, and 3 expert tips. It also explicitly confirms alignment with my preferred styles, such as favoring practical over theoretical and remaining straight to the point. I move down to the prompt box, click inside, right-click, and click Paste to insert the copied text seamlessly. After verifying the question is pasted, I click the up arrow send button. The interface shifts as ChatGPT generates a highly structured response matching my format perfectly. It starts with the step-by-step thinking section outlining the parameters of a $500 budget. As I scroll down further, the most practical answer first section appears, recommending an AI automation agency for small businesses. Continuing downward, a comprehensive comparison table displays 3 business ideas with side-by-side metrics. Below that, it outlines a real-world example for a dental clinic, followed by a better alternative section suggesting a hybrid agency and digital products model. Further down, it itemizes a sample $500 budget breakdown and transitions into a complete 30-day action plan mapped across 4 distinct weeks. Finally, it finishes the response with an expected growth timeline table and the requested 3 expert tips most beginners overlook. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.